Hello friends, welcome to I Learn, I Inspire channel. Please watch this video completely, and if you like the video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel for getting notified about my next videos. Also, please put the point you like the most in comments. Hello friends, today we learn about question tags. Question tags play an important role in spoken English. We need to take confirmation from the other person while we speak. Friends, please remember that question tags are used in only spoken and conversational English and not in formal written English. Now, let us learn how to tag questions while speaking. First, let us look at these examples. We shall not go there. Shall we? He is playing, isn't he? What we observe in these examples is that a question tag is a short question added at the end of a statement. It turns a statement into a question. Question tags use the same subject or the pronoun form of the subject of the statement. We usually use contracted forms of the negatives like isn't, haven't, can't, shouldn't, shan't, etc. Here, shan't is a short form of shall not. We also observe that a positive statement is usually followed by a negative question tag. He is playing, isn't he? And a negative statement is usually followed by a positive question tag. We shall not go there, shall we? Now, let's learn how to tag questions in different situations. In first case, if the statement has an auxiliary verb in it, then we use the same verb in the question tag. Example, she is an Italian, isn't she? In second case, if the statement has no auxiliary verb, then we use do, does, did in the question tag. We use do or does if the verb in the statement is V1, that is simple present. We use did if the verb in the statement is V2, that is past tense. Examples, they live in London, don't they? She drinks juices daily, doesn't she? He doesn't drink water often, does he? He went to a movie last night, didn't he? They bought a car, didn't they? Friends, please remember the special case. The question tag after I am is aren't I? And the question tag after I am not is am I? Example, I am writing, aren't I? I am not writing, am I? In third case, whenever we use the word please in the statement, then we shall use the modal will only in the question tag. Example, please close the door. Will you? Read the poem, please. Will you? In fourth case, whenever we use the words with suffix thing in the statement, then we shall use the pronoun it only in the question tag. Words like something, everything, nothing, anything, etc. Example, something had happened, hadn't it? Nothing happened, did it? Please remember that the word nothing indicates a negative statement. So, we need to use a positive question tag. In another case, whenever we use the words with suffix body or one in the statement, then we shall use the pronoun they only in the question tag. Words like somebody, anybody, nobody, someone, anyone, no one, etc. For example, someone asked you, didn't they? No one told you, did they? Please remember that nobody or no one indicates a negative statement. So, we need to use a positive tag. In another case, whenever we use the word let in the statement, then we need to use shall only in the question tag. For example, let's go there. Shall we? Let her write. Shall she? Let me do this. Shall I? In another case, whenever we use order statements, then we need to use can you only in the question tag. Wait there. Can you? Come here. Can you? To tag questions, we need to remember some more situations. The word so and the exclamation O in the statement indicate negative. Hence, we need to use a positive question tag only. For a few negative words like never, rarely, barely, hardly, scarcely, seldom, we need to use a positive question tag only. Examples: so you are doing it. Are you? Oh, he is joining us. Is he? I seldom go there. Do I? He never plays with us. Does he?